Hello, I will guide you through how to remove background noise in Audacity. If you find this guide useful, then like the video and subscribe to my channel. First of all, have the audio ready. Now what we need to do is go and get a sample. So you need to sample the background noise which you wish to remove. So go and find a sample where you sort of 5 to 10 seconds of where nothing is happening and which you can then highlight. And then go and click effect at the top and click on noise removal and repair. Click on noise reduction. Then you need to click on get noise profile, so then Audacity knows what to filter out. Then you can just click off it like this and then press Ctrl A and it will highlight it all, or just double click. And then what you want to do is at the top go and click on effect and then go to noise removal and repair and then noise reduction. Now we need to come down to step 2. Firstly, we have got noise reduction and this reduce the identified noise. So what you want to do is try turning it up. I do find though if it's too high, start sound weird. Then we have got sensitivity and this controls how much the audio is considered noise. Once again, if it's too high, it starts to remove too much. It will make your sort of actual sound a bit weird as well. And then we have got frequency smoothing bands, pretty much keep this quite low. What this does is it's sort of a smoothing things out, which may be changed by the other setting here. These are the settings I'm going to use, and after you made the change, you could always go and press preview and you can hear how it will sound. And what you can do as well is just press OK. It will then go and apply it. This may take a bit longer if your audio is longer than mine. And then if you aren't satisfied with the result after playing it back, you can always press edit or undo it. And you can go back to noise reduction settings and go and try again. But yeah, these are the settings I tend to use. I hope you found this useful. Thank you. See you in the next video.